Today, on Motive Learn, imagine the potential of unlocking the full capacity of your brain to learn and retain information faster and more efficiently. The power of learning lies not just in what we learn, but how we learn. In the coming moments, we'll explore 10 scientifically backed techniques designed to supercharge your learning process. Stay tuned as we dive into these incredible strategies and give you a bonus tip near the end of the video. Science has the key to unlock the secrets of efficient learning. Now let's delve into the marvels of the human brain and how it absorbs information. First, we have spaced repetition. This technique leverages our brain's habit of remembering things repeated over time. Instead of cramming, spread your study sessions out. It's like watering a plant. Frequent, smaller amounts are more beneficial. Next is active recall. It's all about actively retrieving memory rather than passively reading the material. It's the difference between catching a ball and watching it go by. Then we have interleave practice, where you mix up different skills in one study session. It's like making a smoothie with various fruits. Each flavor enhances the other. Elaboration is another technique. It involves explaining concepts in your own words, engaging your brain more deeply. It's like translating a foreign language into your mother tongue. Finally, there's self-explanation, where you teach yourself, reinforcing your understanding. It's like looking at your reflection to check your appearance. Remember, knowledge is power, and these techniques can help you harness that power. Mastering the art of learning is within your reach. Let's delve into 5 powerful techniques, each one backed by solid scientific research. The first technique is dual coding. This method combines words and visuals. When you study with both text and relevant images, your brain creates a stronger memory link, making recall easier. Next up is mind maps. These are visual representations of information that help you link new ideas to existing knowledge. Think of it as your brain's GPS, helping you navigate through complex information. Testing is our third technique. Far from being a mere assessment tool, it's a powerful way to reinforce what you've learned. By testing yourself, you activate your brain's recall function, strengthening your memory. Fourth on our list is feedback. Constructive feedback not only corrects errors, but also highlights areas for improvement, driving you towards mastery. Lastly, we have retrieval practice. It's the act of recalling information without looking at the source. It's like flexing a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. With these techniques, you can transform the way you learn. As promised, here's a bonus tip for you. The secret sauce to effective learning? A growth mindset. It's not just about the techniques, it's about believing in your ability to learn and grow. This mindset, supported by research, empowers you to embrace challenges, persist despite obstacles, view effort as a path to mastery, and learn from criticism. It's the foundation upon which all other learning strategies stand. Remember, the key to effective learning lies in your hands. So embrace these strategies and unlock your full learning potential. In this journey of learning, every step counts. Remember the 10 techniques we've explored, and don't forget our bonus tip. Apply these strategies and watch your understanding deepen. Embrace the power of learning and unlock your full potential. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips you would like to share with the Motive Learn community. We would love to read your comments.